Hi there! In this video, I will show you how to manage learner properties and variables in AcademyOcean. This feature allows administrators to easily manage all learner data, view, organize, prioritize important fields, and edit values, either from a single page or directly from a learner profiles. There are two main places in the system where you can work with properties: the Properties and Variables section and an individual learner profile. To open the Properties and Variables page, go to the Manage Learners and Teams section and select Properties and Variables tab. On this page, you'll see a table of variables with the following columns: label, property name, type, default value, defined, which shows the number and percentage of learners who have that property filled in. The system includes basic variables that are pre-configured by default, as well as custom variables created by administrators. To create a new property, click Create Property. Then, enter a label, select a property type, and optionally set default value. When you are done, click Create. You can collect data for properties in several ways: by importing a CSV file, through a welcome pop-up, via quizzes, by adding values manually in a learner's profile, or by loading data through the API. To view all learner data for a specific property, click on the property name or the Open button. From there, you can browse or edit values for each learner individually. To edit a value, click on the learner's row or the pencil icon, enter the new value, and save your changes. To edit or delete a property, click the three dots menu and select the appropriate action. There is also a Manage Properties feature that allows you to organize properties and pin the most important ones. To pin a property, just click a pin icon and click Save. Pinned properties always appear in the top, and unpinned properties cannot be reordered above them. By default, up to 5 properties are displayed in the list, but you can reorder them by dragging. To do so, hold the drag handle on the left and move the property on the desired position. Then click Save. Properties are also visible in each learner's profile, where up to 5 are shown. Pinned properties appeared first, and then remaining slots fills automatically based on the administrator's settings. From the learner profile, you can also edit properties by clicking Manage Properties. You can also navigate to the full Properties and Variable page for complete management by clicking Go to Properties page. This feature gives you the flexibility to work efficiently with learner data and keep all important information structured and accessible. I hope this helps, and good luck with your academy!